Hello, officer.
You can't ride it on the road or on the sidewalk. I would suggest
Walking
walking it home.
it?
Either walk it home or I tow it. I mean, that's
Oh my God.
Man, I can't even just ride it in the back roads home. Are you gonna follow me?
I'm not going to make it my personal goal to screw you over today, but I'm giving you a heads up.
Listen to me. Pain is temporary. It may last for a minute, or an hour, or a day, or even a year. But eventually, it will subside. And something else will take its place. If I quit, however, it will last forever.
Shut the fuck up. I had that right away. Oh shit, wheelie for the culture? Ugh. Yeah, it's a red light. I can't see the fucking... Yes, sir! Yeah! I can tell you one thing. I never have a mushy butterscotch in my life. But this shit's slapping right now, boy. Holy shit. Damn, bitch. Ugh. Hello, officer. What?
You can't be driving that thing on the road and the sidewalks, right?
It's a 50cc.
Does it have a registration?
On a pit bike?
My point is that
I can't.
you can't ride it on the road or on the sidewalk because it has a motor on it that's not registered.
I thought with 50cc's you could.
Even if you have it registered, you definitely can't ride it on the sidewalk.
I thought there was exceptions. I thought it was anything under a 50cc that you couldn't just ride it down the road, like in the main street.
You can't ride it on the road because it's not registered. You can't ride it on the sidewalk because it's not safe.
I'm sorry. I thought with 50cc's you could. Well, I mean, in all fairness, I live right up the road. I just had to go pay my rent, and I'm winterizing this. That's why one of the reasons why I came down was for the non-ethanol gas.
I would suggest walking it.
Walking it? I live like...
I can't let you have it on the road. It's either you walk it home or I tow it. I mean, that's the thing. I can't let you do it. It's an unregistered motor vehicle.
Man.
I mean, I'm trying to be very decent, not trying to give you a hard time.
No, I know, you're being fine. I could have sworn that it was a 50cc motorcycle. Like anything under 50.
If you can get it registered,
Yeah.
road legal,
Okay.
then have at it.
Okay.
But I'm just giving you a warning.
Yeah.
And just kind of explaining.
I feel ya. All right. I can't even just ride it in the back roads home. Are you gonna follow me?
Am I going to follow you? I'm not going to make it my personal goal to screw you over today, but I'm giving you a heads up. You might want to walk.
Okay. I appreciate you being nice and not an asshole. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Just trying to.
No, I misunderstood the rule. I could have. You're right. I thought it was 50cc.
With a motor.
Gotcha.
Gas-powered motor
Gotcha.
needs to be.
Register. Yeah. Okay.
Put a plate on the thing. It's all road legal. Then have at it.
Okay. I'll be sure to do that. Thank you. What's up?
A little cold ride today?
Huh?
A little cold ride today?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I just wanted to run some errands and get some non-ethanol gas. I wasn't expecting the police to get on my ass about it. I thought it was for a 50cc that you didn't need it registered or whatever. I don't know. Apparently
They
not.
were saying something.
Oh yeah, the officer just pulled up and he was talking to me about it.
Oh, but he didn't do nothing, or is this?
No, he told me I have to walk it home. If he thinks I'm walking that shit home, he's crazy.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
Say, okay.
I'll go through some backyards, bro. That thing rips. In all fairness, that's 150 cc right there. Or 125. I lied, 125. Coming out? I got you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A few moments later.
If he thinks I'm walking home with my warm and toasty farmer's wrap, I'll tell you one thing. He got the wrong guy. I feel like he's watching me. There used to be a bomb-ass fucking ice cream shop here. I mean, it wasn't the best ice cream. It had Hershey's, but this was a chill spot, bro. I swear to God. R.I.P.Z, baby. Yes, sir.